The standby shift format is commonly used to schedule things like standby events, trainings, or any shift that you would like to appear as closed by default to your employees so that administrators and schedulers can open that shift on an as needed basis only. So, we're going to take a look at what that entails, focusing here on the standby shift towards the bottom of our schedule. We're going to go ahead and click on the paramedic position on Saturday. Couple of key differences in the update schedule screen here. With a shift that has the standby format, your member field will populate as open by default. Now you can use this as normal and select an employee to add to this shift. But again, your standby formatted shifts do appear as closed. They are closed to your employees by default. So leaving or selecting open in this member field allows you to open that shift for employees to see and pick up. The second big difference in this screen here is this event name text field. So this is where you might add something like a football game, you might specify what type of training this is, or add any specific details that you want employees to see. Now, in this example, our standby shift has a default shift time of 7A to 7A. We're going to go ahead and change that to 7A to 7P, and we're going to sign on. So from our view as an administrator, this shift does look like it's open. It is set up that way just to make that scheduling process a little bit easier for you. But we can see here where we've added the football game from 7A to 7P. We're going to flip over to a basic users view. So we're going to refresh our screen here. We're logged in as a basic user or standard employee. And when looking at that same standby shift, you can see we're viewing it as closed or grayed out, except for that Saturday football game that our administrator just opened. So because we are cleared as a paramedic, we can click on this football game and we can bid for this shift as we would any other regular shift on our schedule.